any opportunity do you see in the esports industry, which is growing a lot these days? Your gaming and other things.
We have launched at least 6 type of gaming monitors
Okay.
from 60 gigahertz to 240 gigahertz. So 240 gigahertz, once you run your PS1 game and put our headphone, which we have specially developed for this gaming business, take our gaming chair and till the time chair will not bubbling, we think we are failed.
So, hello everyone, and we have a great personality today, Mr. Amarjeet Singh Daswal, CEO of Intech Digital. Intech is a very old name in the electronic, IT, and peripheral industry. So, Amarjeet ji, we would like to hear about Intech's journey, how it started. I heard that you started with 1 lakh rupees, and today you have a turnover of 1400 crores. So, we want the young generation, the youth, everyone to know about Intech.
Actually, when I cleared my college and then my brother has given me one Chetak scooter and we were opening a shop at Karol Bagh for television, selling a television. So that was my beginning of career. And after that, I worked in a family business because my elder brother started a small personal fan to supply to Crompton Greaves.
Okay.
So, and then when I cleared my graduation, then LLB and other post-graduation degrees I took later, but I immediately joined the business. And that time the Onida TV was very famous, and we know that how we were selling Onida, it was like on. So that agency we got, and it was
used to be called Neighbors Envy, Owner's Pride.
Yeah. So I still remember I went go to Sonu Mirchandani, who was MD of Monica Electronics in Badarpur.
Okay.
वो पर्चियाँ देता था. He was giving us a slips कि okay 4 TV, 5 TV like that. It was like a ration type. But anyway, but in the beginning, you know, I was very young. I was not even 24 that time, and I got a lot of learning from this. How the business is reacting, and the good part was the TV business was coming that time in India. Even Samsung LG has not came that time.
Yes.
It was just Onida and Dynora,
Texla,
BPL, Texela.
Yes,
All these Indian brands, pure Indian brands were there. And Onida was dominating because of JVC technology.
Plus, I think so. The marketing also was
The marketing, their ad campaign is still that.
Yeah, this Dracula hair and
Dracula,
Owners
yeah.
Envy, Neighbors Envy, Owners Pride.
Yeah, you can
these
still remember that,
Yeah.
you know. So it was like that. And after that, I was shifted to factory. I was looking shop also in the evening and goes to the factory also. I still remember we were having one order, big order, and I stayed 17 days and night together in a factory with three. I was having, I think, 2 set of cloths and washing and wearing next day.
And
like
that time you didn't have those facilities, air conditioners and washing machines. And
it was cooler was also fancy that time.
Yes.
Even ceiling fan was okay that time.
Yes.
So then I started with him, and he taught me a lot. And after that, in 1989, I got married with my wife Gunita. She is I think biggest sport behind me. And 1988 I got married. 89 my daughter Akanksha born.
Okay.
And when Akanksha born, then we met suddenly with one Pandit, and he told us that this girl is very lucky for you, Mr. Singh. And girls always be closer to a father, you know.
Yeah.
And you must take care of her. And as she grow, your business will grow. I said, "Here I am nothing today." He said, "No, you will start and you will grow." And in 1989 end, my wife was traveling to Faridabad from Delhi, and we were searching some place for a factory. And then I said, "Gunita, what name should be there for the company?" It is 1989, huh? She said we should go for a Intech. I said, "Why Intech? What is I was driving the car and she was next to me. I said, "What is the meaning of Intech?" She said, "Indian technology, IN and tech, Indian technology."
So Gunita ji was, I would say, more advanced than you, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it was like that. And somehow this name was started, and we got registration in 1990. We started a business with very small exhaust fan. For maybe my turnover was not more than 2-3 lakhs a month. So, and 2500 square yard factory, 2500 square yard factory with the 2500 rent.
Okay.
And later we bought that factory. Later that God was so bless us that we bought many factories. So this was a beginning actually.
So you started with fans,
We started with exhaust fans.
exhaust fans.
Yeah,
Wow.
exhaust fans for a washroom and for a kitchen and all like that.
And over the years, now what
Then-
all? How did you evolve with fans, and what next?
Then we shifted to coolers.
Okay.
I met Achal Bakeri, who was the MD of Symphony,
Okay.
and he understood my inherent talent. He said, Amarjeet, हम आपके साथ काम करना चाहते हैं, तो आप बताओ क्या कर सकते हो? I said, sir, I can develop anything. He said, we are searching a vendor for geyser who can develop geyser for us. I said, okay, then no problem. We can do that because challenges were always in my blood to take it. So then we started geyser for Symphony.
Okay.
And then we got relationship and same geyser when Bajaj was very dominating in geyser that time in 94 95. So then we entered in Bajaj. We got one small order from Bajaj, very conditional, lot of conditions were there on that order, but he said, if you prove this, Mr. Singh, I will give you a big business. And we went to Seesganj Sahib, Matha Teko, and after that, Prashad Chanane ke baad, we said, Babaji, now you have to bless us because we got Bajaj. That time Bajaj was very big and still it is big. And my objective was that I should get some good big OEM. And then Bajaj came and we made 1.7 million air conditioner for Bajaj.
Oh,
Not
wow.
air conditioner, geysers.
Geysers.
All type of geysers for Bajaj. And Shekharji, who's a Bajaj Electricals
Yeah.
chairman, he treat me like his son.
Okay.
Today also, even I visited to his son was passed away suddenly, and I visited for the prayer meeting, and he suddenly, when I touch his feet, he suddenly asked me, how's Gunita? I was so surprised and got tears in my eyes. A guy whose son is just passed away, young son in 40 years age, and this guy is taking my, obituary. He is just asking my wife's, health. So it was like, then he introduced me to Rahulji also. Rahul Bajaj was sitting next to him.
Okay.
So that moment I cannot forget in my life. Some moments you always have, remembers giving you a lot of emotions, lot of respect.
That's respect is the main thing. At that stage, also he's trying to care about your family, asking about your family. So these reputations you earn. So that was, I think, that's a very good example, and that's a very good thing. What reputation what you've earned over the years. Amarjeet, what is your current product line? Is it all OEMs or you have your own brand? And what all products are you doing currently?
I can just brief you 2 minutes little bit more
Yeah.
because coming to a product line current, because how we came on this, I
Okay,
should
okay.
give you that journey. At least the listeners should understand that. Then then LG was trying to enter in India, and the Indian economy was not open that time.
This was before 92.
This is 98,
Okay.
97, 98
Okay.
till time. And I was going every day and brought in India from by Videocon Group, and LG brought by Texla, Besta Vision.
Okay.
That Mr. Singh brought LG because that time you need a local partner. So I was going every day to, like every day means every fortnightly I go to and every week I go to LG, Noida factories for getting business. And in between we were supplier to Videocon also. So the guy who was working in Videocon, he just saw me at the reception at and their washroom was other side, so you have to pass from the reception area. I was sitting on the sofa. He said, you are Amarjeet? Yes sir, I am Amarjeet. You were supplying fan blade to Doombell. Doombell is a Videocon company. I was making just fan blade. And fan blade I was taking in my car in both the hands. I was not having money to even a fifth tire. I was having 4 tire. If tire get puncture, I have to put on the rickshaw and then put again puncture and come back. And then again, fit the tire and go to Delhi. And every day my travel from Faridabad to Delhi and Faridabad. And then this guy said, why you are sitting here? I said, so and so person has called me. He said, what? I said, I want to do a business with you. कहते क्या factory लगा सकते हो? I said, sir, you tell me. He said, okay, wait for 5 minutes. He went, gone to washroom, came back, took my hand in his hand and took me into his chamber.
Okay.
This was a turning point of my life. And that's given me a turnover of nearly 1400 crore.
Oh wow, that's great.
So that was my turning point. They said Jammu mein factory lagana. I never been to Jammu. I thought it is a hilly area
This
or
was
something
which year?
like that.
Which year? 19.
This is 90. No, it is 2000.
Okay.
2001.
Okay. Okay.
No, 2002. I
Okay.
started a Jammu factory.
Oh wow.
And that time Vajpayee government has given a scheme because to control the terrorism. So he has given the scheme industrialization, and you get all the excise paid back. So
Okay,
that was
so-
their interest, and my interest was ki I need some time. Like this, all
Subsidy,
is
so there's
likha
no
hua,
subsidy.
you know.
Okay.
It is all written. So just you have to wait for that time. So I learned this, and after that my journey started. Then I never looked back.
So this is Mr. Amarjeet's journey. What a wonderful journey he's explained since 84, 85 until 2004. Amarjeet, how do Interact's diverse electronic gadgets and lifestyle products contribute to a smarter and more connected lifestyle?
See now we are actually Intech is from last 34 years in air conditioning business.
Okay.
We are one of the major supplier of Government of India, all PSUs as through GEM portal, because when this Prime Minister took over, after that the GEM portal was launched. So we are working this for last 7 years. So air conditioner we have got a good name, and because of OEM business, as I mentioned for and all, so we got a good name. After that we seen that ki difficult to compete with all the big brands. You know the way we had a meeting yesterday.
Yeah.
So it is very difficult. I don't have that kind of muscle power, that kind of advertising expense, that I can't keep that big professionals, heavyweight professionals. So what I thought, I should go for a line which is a high turnover line. This was my thought in last 3-4 years back.
Okay.
And I started working that. And I started working, and I meet people. I travel a lot, a whole world I travel. And I meet people, I visit to factories, and then I got this line marked up. Okay, this is a line which I have to go. The lifestyle product is coming scenario. As India has more than 50% population is youngsters.
Yeah.
So that was, I want to target that line in a very, very decent and a smart manner. So this was one reason. Another was that we wanted to have a high value product as compared to air conditioner to maintain our growth, because turnover is very much required for the growth. So that is the reason which brought us to this new range of printers and all-in-one PCs.
Okay.
And laptops and tablets.
So isn't this a very different line from air conditioners and fans to total consumer products, consumer journey?
See, I started with exhaust fan. I shifted to geysers, and from geysers I shifted to air conditioners. So that was also a similar way. You same question. Somebody could ask me that time also, you know. But now, see, you have to look from other angle. I just want to give my message to the youngsters. They should not stop. If the problem comes, they should not stop. A same which I put nearly more than 100 crore investment in Shri Perambatoor factory. And they said, ki, okay, we will not be able to work with you. And I have to sell that factory. And I got the loss more than 80 to 90 crore. And all my stakeholders were in problem because of this. But now we recovered by that. And see, I have seen ups and downs. And that is the reason I have not seen only ups and ups. Downs also was very poor, but downs taught me a lot.
I would say the graph always goes ups and down. So whatever goes up definitely has to come down.
It is, see, like these waves.
Yes.
These waves, you have mentioned here only.
Yeah.
So similarly, like that situation was happened, and that is the reason now we are coming up with a very good joint venture. Very good in the sense that yes, there are this printer technology. There are only 10 people in the world who has this technology, mainly Japanese, and one is from America, HP, everybody knows. So out of 10, one is now our partner in this journey in technology transfer. So we are going to put printer factory in India, and it is a big business. It is a very complex business in that sense, the technology wise.
So what do you plan? You plan to do it under your own brand name or OEM for this also?
See, starting with our own brand name, because now we want to establish our own brand, because we really worked 34 years for this brand. But yeah, factory cannot run on my own brand only.
Yeah.
Factory needs volume. So for that, we will be open ourselves for OEM also.
But don't you think creating your own brand is also essential? Like what we've seen, a lot of startups like Noise, Boat, everyone in the thing, they've created huge valuations these days by creating their own brand.
So I don't have any this kind of thought in my mind, but I am just looking that yes, I am not even talking about my brand valuation. I am nothing at present at compared to these all big peoples. But yes, I have a very clear goal in my mind that I have to go with my brand only, and When I establish my brand fully and if I have extra capacity, I'll go for OEM. Because OEM is already in my blood. And OEM, I have been built my life and OEM also dished me. So, but I can tell you the comparison between and Bajaj. Bajaj, Shekharji, when shutting the business, he told me 1 year back, his team, that Mr. Amarjeet, ek saal baad technology is going to change. If you want to shift to that technology, that is a huge investment. That is okay. Otherwise, you please tell us in 1 year back what stocks you are having, how much money you have to take from us, how much debit note, how much credit note. Each and every penny has been settled. But just on one mail, just say ki we don't want you to from tomorrow. So this is the difference between MNCs and our own Indian companies. We are more ethical in the world. I can still say we are much better in policies from China. We are much better than policies in Korea. Even Japan, America, they are committed. But still our policies are much better. So because in our business, there is a business with mind and with the emotions also.
Absolutely, sir. You know, a lot of we've seen this. Indian grown brands, Indian based companies value for their people, for their employees, for their suppliers. Whereas I've seen examples where MNCs, you know, yes, the picture looks very rosy, but they all run by the book. So that's the difference between the homegrown brands and these MNCs. And any opportunity do you see in the esports industries, which is growing a lot these days, your gamings and other thing?
I can tell you that this is one of the very big industries coming up with the gaming industry. Like I can tell you, we have, if you come to our booth in this exhibition, you just see that we have launched at least 6 type of gaming monitors.
Okay.
From 60 gigahertz to 240 gigahertz.
Oh.
So 240 gigahertz, once you run your PS1 game, you will see and put our headphone, which we have specially developed our own for this gaming business. And you put headphone, take our gaming chair, and till the time chair will not bubbling, we think we are failed. So this kind of a technology we are bringing, and it is going to be a mind bubbling in the future. And similarly, we are bringing in laptop. We are bringing i9. i9 is with the gaming laptop. Okay. With the graphic card.
Okay.
So i3, i5 is basic laptops, and i7 starting like designer are using, or big like the people who's having more photoshops and all like that. So but this i9 is using by the gamer only.
Is it capable, or is it equipped with all your cooling pads and everything?
Yes, totally. This is the reason one small person, one small company, how can do? Yesterday also I said the same thing. People should invest in our kind of business whose the vision is there, whose the guy is ready to do. Today the Walmart people came to me, they said, I have gone through the whole exhibition. Nobody is entertaining us in a manner the way we want volume. I said, you come inside. I took her to the room and in my cabin, and I said, sit ma'am, now tell me how much you want. So, because I said, if anybody can refuse now, you just come to us.
So Walmart visited your booth today?
They visited yesterday also. Yesterday, because we are developing an air conditioner from Walmart from last 2 years. Okay. So yesterday I fired them. I complained them that you take so much time, so much aapki itni laboratories test and all, and you invested lot of money of mine, but you never come back. But today they have sent their whole team, and they came to just console to me. First, they wanted to console me, and after that they said, "Batao kya business hum kar sakte hain." But she said, Mr. Singh, Prime Minister Modi, my CEO has promised 10 billion import from India. But the problem is this, nobody here interested to give us the volume. She said, what to do? He said, you bring table, you bring kursiyan, you bring apparel, you bring whatever, but 10 billion hona chahiye. The reason is because my CEO committed to Indian Prime Minister. So if they have a target, then why we are not been able to encash it? It means we are fool, we don't know how to do business.
And how do you think this AI will change the dynamics of electronic industry? Do you think AI will have any impact?
You see, the Nvidia is today having a more market share as compared to Apple.
Today's newspaper was they are number 2 now.
They will be number 1 very soon.
Yes, so globally the market value has become number 2, which is a very big news.
Very big.
A new company which is not very old has reached number 2. That's a big thing. So definitely AI will play a good role in this.
It's already started playing. It's already starting. We have launched our tablet with AI camera.
Okay.
Just come and see. 14.1 inch. First time we have launched in this exhibition. In India, only 12.7 is the maximum size which Samsung is supplying or Lenovo. But we have launched 14.1.
And how do user-centric designs influence the industry in terms of developments and the technology?
See, this market now at present is user centric only. You cannot give your own technology. You can't like put your technology on people. No, they will not buy. They are very choosy. I can give you one small example. Today, one person came to my booth and I was sitting in the meeting. He said, Singh sir, 1 minute if you can come. I gone out and he is having a very small son, 10 years old. He said, Uncle, I need your 32-inch gaming monitor. I said, beta, that is 240 gigahertz. And why? No, my PS1 will not work on that. I need 240 gigahertz. I said, यार कल बंद होगा बूथ तो तेरे को मैं ये सैंपल ही दे दूंगा. But you bring your game because we have a game expert Abhishek and you bring your game and he will run the game and then you will see how the response. And that see this is the way like one kid only wanted has his own specifications.
So, how do you think? Are your products already there in the market, or how are you selling it? What's your distribution channel? What are the plans in terms of selling? Is it online, or how do you see the market?
See, the small items like lifestyle item like power bank, TWS, headphones, and small other accessories more on online.
Okay.
Today also Amazon team is sitting there. I just came for this podcast because I just said excuse me and I came. The senior people are here. So because I have invited them because we are having a relationship with them. So they are very keen to start this business. But you talk about laptop, all-in-one and this printer, we will have a distribution channel.
Okay.
And even if there is a scope, we will go online also.
And any message you want to give to the youth, you want to give to the coming generation, inspirational? I really see a great vision in you, in your company. So a few words for our audience, I would say.
I just want to tell the young generation or the people who's coming, if they born in India, they are very lucky. If they born in India, they are very lucky. And our country has to grow manifold. Where we are today, after 10 years, India will be totally different. Even 10 years, I am saying more. We will be more than 5 trillion economy and maybe 7 trillion also. And we will number 2 economy in the world. So very soon. And I just wanted that whatever line in this youngsters choose, they should first study the line and they should even take the advice of the experts so that at least they should not fall back in between. And they also look financial parameters also in that sense, like what kind of investment they have, what kind of money they can put, and accordingly they should have a risk capacity also. Their heart should be strong. But yes, as the country is growing, I don't think there is any scope of failure. You know, if you have a right policy, right thinking, you will definitely succeed it.
And do you think what space or what opportunity do startups have in India? If any startup comes to you, have a concept in mind, have a technology, will you support them? Will you be able to make the product for them, encourage them? How will the startup industry, do you think?
No, the startup industry is already, I think I was talking to other day a Startup India president. He told me, Mr. Singh, total 36 lakh startup have applied us for these lessons and we have given to 1.10 lakhs and lessons has been given till date. So that 110 lakh means 1,10,000 already started and more than 30 lakhs is in pipeline. If some youngsters, I can tell you these days the ideas and the technology and the brain which youngsters are having, even you and me can't even think over it. We can't imagine it. You know, my IT team, which we have appointed for this laptop and this business, we have the youngest person is 22 years. And she was working with Apple from last 3 years. In 19-year age, she started a business with Apple. I have full team of people which came from Apple, Dell and HP. So, but all youngster, I kept in my mind, I should not go more than a 35 years age of a person in my team. Though in my existing team, my air conditioning team, we have a person more than 50 years, 60 years. My chai pilane wala is with me from last 29 years. So you can imagine my secretary is like working with me from last 24 years. So that is different segment,
different,
conventional,
yes.
and this is a work. So this is a good part. Now you just see that the same guy is thought about the business which is established today, and now thinking for the futuristic business, the lifestyle business. So this I feel that yes, I am little blessed by the God.
Thank you, Amarjit ji. It was an insightful session for the startup, for the technology, for tech influencers, and all those things. And we are really fascinated by your journey. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much for giving this opportunity
Thanks.
to explain my life
Thank you, ji.
to the audience. Thank you.